I'm Laura, and I'm going to take you through a short yoga nidra or guided relaxation designed to help you release any tension, stress, or anxiety. And to get started, you'll just need to be somewhere comfortable, either sitting or lying down, and make sure you're warm. When you're settled, close your eyes or soften your gaze. With every inhale, allowing yourself to bring your attention inwards. With every exhale, letting go of whatever it took to get you to this moment. Every inhale draws your focus inside. Every exhale releases any thoughts or plans of what's coming next. Every inhale, an opportunity to connect with the present moment. Every exhale, an opportunity to let go of everything else. I'm going to take you through a short rotation of consciousness, encouraging you to shift your attention throughout your body. There's no need to move these parts. Just bring your mind, your focus, throughout your physical self. We'll start the rotation of consciousness now. Taking your attention to your toes, noticing toes, feet, ankles, lower legs, knees, upper legs. Feel both feet, both legs, all at once. Draw your attention to your fingers, noticing fingers, hands, wrists, lower arms, elbows, upper arms. Feel both shoulders. Feel both hands, arms, shoulders, all at once. Drawing your attention to your lower belly, your stomach, both sides of the waist, low back. Noticing the muscles along your spine, your mid-back, upper back, shoulder blades. Feel your collarbones, chest, your entire rib cage, your stomach. Feel your entire torso, even internal organs, all at once. Draw your attention deep into your hips, noticing right hip, right buttock, left buttock, the entire pelvis. Feel your whole pelvis all at once. Bring your attention to your throat, noticing throat, both sides of the neck, the spot where neck and head meet. Feel the back of your head, crown of your head, scalp, your temples, ears, both sides of the jaw. Feel along your jawline, through your chin, lower lip, upper lip, tongue, the roof of your mouth. Bring your awareness to your cheeks, nose, both eyebrows, both eyes, to the space between your eyebrows. Feel your forehead smooth and free of worry. Feel your whole face, head, neck, all at once. Notice both feet, legs, hips, both hands, arms, shoulders, your torso, neck, and head. Feel your entire physical self all at once. Notice your whole physical body all at once. Once more, notice your entire physical self, bringing your awareness through your body to your breath and deepening your breathing, inhaling fully, exhaling completely, seeing if you can notice the space between your breaths. Sometimes the most important thing in a whole day is the rest we take between two deep breaths. Keep breathing deeply and notice all of the sounds, the sensations around you. Bring movement back to your body. Gently flutter open your eyes and slowly and mindfully come back to your day. Thank you for joining me for this guided relaxation. Know that the light inside of me recognizes and honors that same light in you. Namaste.